Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma na wado afikilenga so. Haidoma iye mulale. Baby, she wants something. She wants something. Baby, good morning. How I'm doing? Fine. Yes, fine.
Yes,
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
Guys, this is my grandma. She want to go and take shower.
Wow.
Hey, okay. Hey. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome and feel free subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today, it's a beautiful day over here, man. I'm really appreciating your love and support. I'm coming all the way from home, sweet home. For the new subscribers, this is my home. This is where I come from, and this is my lovely grandma over here. That's her house over there. Recently, in like a few weeks back or a few months back, she was very sick. She was diabetic, and man, I thank God for now. She's moving, she's laughing, she's like walking. She can just go anywhere, help by herself a little, and I give much thanks for that. So welcome back, welcome home for my new Ghanaians, or for my people from Ghana, West Africans. Akwaba. We're gonna say Akwaba. We are now home. This is sweet home, and we're having here. Push me out, push me out, push me. Hey. Tom. This is Tom and Jerry. Stop, man. So guys, that's how everything has been. So this is my beautiful home. This is my bulletproof house over here, and this is my parents' house, and that's our kitchen over there, outdoor kitchen. So this day today, they were washing clothes over here, and yeah, Minhawi was here, and she told me like I wanna meet her to the True Boys home. So I'll be maneuvering from here and go meet her there. She went there to do a vlog, because with me here was everything. So I was so tired and I was asleep. And on the other hand, I've received visitors. Like there's one of amazing girl who those days back when I started my YouTube channel, she used to coach me, tell me, okay, Claude, do this and this and this until today. So she okay, I'm back home. I was like, okay, I'm also in Nyabuhansi and I can't wait to see you. So my first visitors, when I arrived home, I'll just share with you. So let me go in, give you a quick tour of our small bulletproof house over here where I come from. Wow, so this is my home or my house where Joseph come from, in here. And amazingly, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I missed this home for like 1.5 months over here. So this is where I have really been staying. This is where I have been, you know, everything started over here. For you to see Claude Joseph, this is where everything started. Where you see here, look, man, look, this is where everything started. And this is our living room. This is our sitting room. Where here you can just be on this side, you can sit, drink from here. It's a dining area. And also, wow, we're having some breakfast over here. This is our kitchen on this other end. Can't wait to prepare a meal here and eat it very nicely. Yeah, this house is a 2-bedroom house on this other end. But remember, it is a happy day. I'm having visitors, and also it's my first day going around here by going to greet one of my friends over here. The mom called me and told me, oh man, my son, you're back and I need to see you over here. I prepared something special for you. And of course, I'm heading down there and we'll be seeing. But before that, I'll give you a quick tour of my home for the new subscribers. Yeah, that's the TV stand over there. And yeah, on this other end. So let's get out and just share with you a story, a big story with some of my sisters from the other side. And yeah, we want to know what's going on around. So it was washing day. Imagine, guys, since I did what you call, like, since I started traveling, I washed my clothes just once. And of course, a big shout out also to Ethiopian airline. Thank you so much. They gifted me this. You know, sometimes while you're on the plane, they're like, okay, So it was a happy new year to them, and they were like, okay, you're feeling cold, you can go with it. I was like, oh, it's fine. Happy New Year. Entututash. They say entututash. Entututash to Ethiopian. This is the first time. I remember on my previous video, I just explained to you why Ethiopia has what we call like, they celebrate their New Year in 11th September every year. 11th September every year. So their year is 2017 right now. So they migrated from 2016. Now, with us, we are in 2024. With them, they are in 2017. And they celebrated this year in 11th September. With us, we celebrate New Year 1st of January. It's really crazy. This is due to because with Ethiopians, they really do what we call like celebrate their year because they have what we call like their calendar is Coptic calendar, which they call it Giz. Giz of G-E apostrophe E-Z. Giz calendar. And with us, we use Gregorian calendar, which is after Christ. You know? I don't know if I'm making sense. So with them doing to that, they still use the ancient one. And remember, Ethiopia was never colonized. That's why you hear most people saying Haile Selassie, the most high, Haile Selassie. Because still they have that ancient. So with us, we are like 8 years plus, no, 6 years plus, no, 7 years plus ahead. With them, they are 7 years behind. All right, guys, that's not much. This is where my grandma just relax sometimes. And this was our motorbike. I just went to do it some little services on it. And it will help me to go and meet Minhawi. The other video you saw, she was not around, but we reunited. We are addressed. We are going to address the rumors of what we call breakup. We see how everything is, and I missed my home. This is how everything is around here. And I'm really happy to be back home over here on this other end. So let's wait and see what everything is. Wow, I'll have to burn this. This is where we burn stuffs, but it has been full because I'm not around. They usually use it that way, and they don't burn stuffs, you know. So are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you really ready? I want to welcome you some visitors, and they want to introduce themselves and ask and say who are they. Are you ready? Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
We are fine.
You are good?
Yeah.
You
I'm
are
good.
great?
Personally, I'm good. Yeah.
Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Malika Kenya.
Yes.
I'm also a Kenyan content creator based in Western Kenya. To be specific, Bungoma County.
Bungoma.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And you?
Hello, I'm Betty Moa.
Hey! Hey! Betty?
Moa.
Mwah!
Yeah.
Hey.
Still growing content creator from Western Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Eh, Betty Moa. You know that name was really treasured, and that's why Betty Moa and why not Betty Kiss?
Betty Moa. Because of my second name. And I did a short form of it, and I felt like it was rhyming with the Betty Moa.
Oh, okay.
If I could do the full name, it was very heavy.
Or it was going to be Mulamua.
What is your full name?
Yeah, what's your full
My
name?
full names are Betty Amwai.
Oh, Betty Amwai.
Yeah.
Wow, nice meeting you, Betty Amwai.
I'm humble.
Welcome, Malika.
Thank you.
That guys, this is Malik, and also this is Betty Moa.
Yeah.
Welcome home, and feel free to be at Claude Joseph's home, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We feel so free.
Yes.
We've already had tea.
There's still more tea.
We've already had our tea, and we are just here resting at this garden. It's like a garden or resting place.
It's a resting place. It's a
Yeah.
garden at the same time, resting place, yeah.
So we were just catching up a little bit, and I feel so good. You know, I feel so good that he has welcomed us well. And actually, Claude Joseph is the very first person that I knew from Nyabohanse village, and the very first person that I spoke to from this village.
Wow.
That was years ago, not recently.
Like 4 years back.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like 4 years.
Yeah, it is.
5 years, like 4 years back, yeah.
Yeah, not five,
Four
four
years.
years back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we spoke very long time ago, and we've been talking not though not very oftenly,
Yeah.
but we speak once in a while. Like, and it is safe to say he's my friend.
Yeah.
And I was like, when I come here, at least I don't want to leave without meeting him.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for meeting, this is the first time,
Yeah.
but we are friends.
We are friends. We
Yeah.
have been talking, guys, on online, on Instagram. She has
Yeah.
been coaching me. As I told you at the first time, like, she used to coach me when I started my YouTube channel, and she was like, okay, you can do it. She's the one of the people who trusted and believed, oh, Claude, you will go places.
Yeah.
And for sure, I've gone places.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for believing in me.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Betty Moore,
Yes.
what can you say before we get back to our lovely sister here?
For me, being here, it's a pleasure being here.
Yes.
And the welcoming these people around in Nyabohanse village
Yes,
give
yes.
us. It is very nice.
Yes.
Most especially the way you've just also welcomed us
Yes.
today.
Yes.
It was very welcoming. It feels nice, you know.
You know, it's really like a blessing to me, because I just arrived like few hours back. Like few hours. I haven't even spent 24 hours at this place.
Yeah.
And I'm still feeling like, wow, man, blessings. You know, when you receive visitors, it's like you're receiving blessings. Yeah, I'm also like you, man. Like, I really appreciate it, because, guys, 4 years just talking online.
Yeah.
I haven't met her personally. I haven't seen her personally, apart from the videos that we do.
Yeah.
Like, she believed and coached me. Okay, you can do it, and you'll be. And today I'm actually over here, and I'm saying thank you so much for believing, and also for coaching me. And for now, because
It's okay. Actually, me doing it, I wasn't doing it in terms of like, because you were asking me questions, and I was like, for me, whatever I know, I share, and whatever I don't know, I'll just tell you. On that one, I'm not sure, or I don't know.
For sure. You know, guys, one thing is, like, she was ahead of me, and I was like 200 subscribers, but she still believed. I was okay. And that's why I picked the heart also. I was like, no matter how down you are, or no matter how big you are, you can just socialize with everybody. You can speak to everyone. So she gave me that time, because I could reach to other people sometimes. Like, you can read the message, but you cannot reply.
Yeah.
But with her, she used to reply, and so like, okay, that's nice. So I picked the heart from there. Like, okay, no matter where you come from, no matter how big, and still move on. Thank you so much, Malika, and be blessed. And let me ask you, how do you know Claude Joseph now?
Claude Joseph. Claude Joseph is the African Eagle. Let me just say, first of all, there was a time you changed your channel name to something. I'm not sure, but it had an eagle on.
Yeah, I used the African Eagle.
The African Eagle.
CJ,
right?
the African Eagle, and it was too long. Yeah.
So, how do I know Claude Joseph? I know Claude Joseph as one very humble person and a go-getter, because that time, you know, like those time we used to watch your videos with my sister. Mimi, personally, the video that I saw first in your channel is the one when you're building your house.
That bulletproof house.
Oh my God! And I didn't myself, honestly, now let me be as truthful as I can. I didn't know it was gonna turn out that way.
Really?
Because I've also seen, like, we have even these houses in my village as well, and I have never seen the one which is as modern as yours.
Wow.
Especially the interior, with even a gypsum, with even a, you know. Like, I've never seen that. So I used to see when you were, like, first, the part that I saw mostly was the one that you were, what do you call mixing the mud? Like, stepping on
stepping on the mud.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched that video, guys, please, I just put it on the community tab if I remember.
Put it there, or
Or
even
you
put
can
just a screenshot
or
here.
you can just take it like the old videos, type the oldest.
Yeah.
It just show you. And you know that videos, I never knew that they even reach even 1K subscribers.
Wow.
For now, those videos are over 30,000.
Wow.
Are over 20,000.
That is how it works with YouTube. So I used to see you there. So if you ask me, according to what I know Claude Joseph is a go-getter.
Thank you.
You get what you want. You achieve what you want, because when you're building the house, you used to say, now I want to put sijui what here. I want to make it modern. I want to do it there. And then, like, I stopped watching for some time. Okay, I used to watch once in a while, you know. And then when I come back, I'm like, wait, did he start building another house? Yeah. So I started following up, and I was like, oh, it's the same house.
It's the same house.
So he did this. He did not give up and everything. And also, like, when you traveled to Uganda with the Kinasala tourists, I think I was in Uganda at the same time.
Yeah, I know you're in the same time at Uganda, but you went to the northern part.
Of Uganda. We were still talking.
Yeah.
I thought he was near where we were. We were supposed to link up.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think you got robbed.
Yeah, my stuffs got lost, but I still, like, it was part of the journey. So it was
Yeah.
part of making who Claude Joseph is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you did not stop from there.
Yeah.
You kept on doing that. I know, like when you lose everything.
Hey,
I
man.
remember you said you lost your phone and your camera.
I lost my phone, just like everything that you think can make YouTube.
Yeah.
My laptop, and that laptop was bought by one of my subscribers. I really still love you. Thank you so much for the support still today. Like, it's really amazing, man. Like, he bought me the first laptop, and it was the fastest laptop in class. SSD, HP, very fast laptop. And the moment I arrived, it was silver by color. The moment I arrived with it in Uganda, first, second day, third day, I have nothing, even
went.
clothes.
Oh my God.
But I still don't regret.
So I remember when
yeah.
you were doing the live stream also.
Yeah.
So I know you're a go-getter, which you have to continue with the same spirit.
Yeah.
Also, I know you as a very humble person.
Yeah.
Because like welcoming people in your home,
Yeah.
people that you've never met before,
Yeah.
people that you've only been seeing online,
Yeah.
that one is not easy, despite everything that is going on. You know,
Yeah.
like you invite people in your house.
For sure, and sometimes
And
they
then
go
drama
back.
comes,
And sometimes
you know?
they bring drama.
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, that is what I can say. You're a go-getter and
you.
one of the very humble people that I know in Nyabohanse.
Thank you.
And that is why I was very comfortable even to meet you.
Thank
Actually, I'm the one who looked for him
Yeah.
because now we've been talking.
Now we've been talking,
I
and-
didn't even have this of like, oh, I'm afraid. Know what? I was like, no, I have to meet him.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
also, you know, the moment is like the moment we have been talking with you, knowing it was very crazy maybe to deny you a chance because of what is happening in Nyabohanse, I'll not meet you. But it was like, no, she has been with me. I remember, like, there's a flashback that, oh, I was once in this position and she helped me in this position. So I cannot. And not that only that I help those who have helped me in certain position. No, everybody is welcome.
Yeah.
As long as I know you have good intentions.
Yeah.
It's that it's happening, you know.
Yeah,
And thank you
so
for paying a visit.
That is Claude Joseph for
Yeah,
you.
yeah. For the
Yeah.
short time, do you love our home, or it's like, hey man, these people are staying in the bush?
Oh my God, I love your home.
Yeah.
Especially my favorite part. Akimi, I'll just keep on saying this. Is this gypsum in his sitting room?
You love the gypsum?
Yeah, I
Wow,
love the
man.
gypsum in your house.
Yes.
Your house is so beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you.
I mean, these people have to go watch that video and know why I am insisting, you know.
Yeah,
they
when
have
they
to
were
go back
starting.
and yeah.
Wow.
And also like like it's just quiet. You can hear the birds chirping. This
Yeah.
is my kind of environment.
Mm.
It is
Ooh.
very cool. We are sitting here in a shade. So I just love your compound or your everything.
Thank
and
you.
the reception that I got also from Minhawi.
Thank you.
so much, Minhawi,
Yeah.
for having us.
Wow, thank
yeah. Thank
So
you.
now I'm
also.
going to meet her from here. I'm going to meet her at True Boys' home
Uh-huh.
because she went there. They were going to do videos and they went with mom, so she's going down next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have really welcomed us well. I've never met her before and she has given us a warm welcome.
Yeah.
So that is something
You
that I
feel free.
appreciate a lot.
Feel free. We have vacant rooms there. You can stay if you feel like, oh, where I am now, maybe I can do this. Can change. Maybe we can have a night or 2 nights. It will be better over here. You're highly welcomed. You know.
You people, Claude Joseph is telling me feel at home. You know, like when you
Feel
tell
at
some people
home.
feel at home, I will go back and bring my clothes.
Yeah, feel at home. It's very free. You know, let me tell you one thing. When I'm not around here at home, this home feel empty.
Yeah.
Very quiet. Only grandma will find her here. But people come to get them here at maybe at night. But during the day, only grandma with the boy who looks after my goats.
Ah.
Now the moment you'll be here, people are here. So you feel free, feel home. All not yet, but more.
Yeah.
You know, let me give you a short story over here. Now I'm hearing about Betty Moore. We have a boy here called Hello Baby. So suppose you have a boyfriend. And maybe somebody saw you there. Hey, Betty! Mwah!
Hello, baby.
And also your boyfriend will be angry about it. And when he comes here and he found there's a boy called Hello Baby, and you call him, or we're having your boyfriend, he's like, Hello Baby! So sometimes these names, if you're not too much careful about it, or if you are so much like into, if you have a boyfriend who doesn't think, or if or maybe if Hello Baby will have a girlfriend who doesn't understand. The moment somebody will call him, Hello Baby, and the moment if somebody will call Betty and say, Betty moi, and you'll be like, But it's a very nice name, man. It's
It's unique.
It's unique.
When you type Betty Moore, only her name will come.
Her name will come.
And that is one secret with
Wow,
YouTube.
man.
You don't have people to be 10 names to come up, and then
Yeah,
they're
you
scrolling
change.
to find which one I am looking for.
Like
Yeah.
me, honestly speaking, the moment I started YouTube, you saw me change
Yeah.
from Claude Joseph again to CJ, the African Eagle,
Eagle.
son of soil.
Uh-huh.
It was crazy, but I said no. I have to beat up with this Claude Joseph.
Yeah.
Nowadays, if you type Claude Joseph, I'm the first person to be
Yes.
searched.
And
But
that
those
is how
days
it's
back,
supposed to be.
it used to be French people.
Yeah, that is how it's supposed to be.
I thank God,
Yeah.
man. And most people subscribe to this guy from France, the politician Claude Joseph, because I think we used to look alike those days back. And when people search Claude Joseph, they were asking, "Are you a politician? We saw you. Are you Claude Joseph? You're a politician." No, that is not me. So I tried to share them the link. If I won't share you a link, you not know. But I thank God for this. For now, that's why you feel like the more you push, the more it comes.
Yeah.
True.
It comes through. So thank you so much. I'll be heading. This video was like to go to True Boy's home. So, but you are here, and I was like, oh, you're my visitors too. I have to include you here. So guys, please subscribe to Malika Kenya.
Yes, please subscribe. We
Yeah, and
wrote to
also
100K.
yeah, and also Betty Moa over there.
Please do.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man. All right.
Thank you for having us as well.
Yeah,
I
you are
think we'll
wel-
just go together because you're also leaving.
Oh, don't leave. Why are you leaving? I think I'm going to Juma's place, and then I'll just come and get you over here, guys.
Okay.
All right. Don't worry. All right,
So
guys.
we will wait.
Okay.
Tell us we stay.
You
will
stay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abuja.
That is True Boy.
Yes.
And here we are with the big man.
Yeah, this is Nasto here. Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Nasto. Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
We are here first time at True Boy's home,
Yeah.
and we are welcomed with a big meal.
Absolutely.
So, guys, subscribe to my channel. Also, check out Claude Joseph. Yeah, road to success.
And you know, today we look twins, guys.
Imagine.
Yeah, today we look
we
twins.
look together.
Yeah, we look together. Show them, show them.
Oh yeah,
We are the loyals.
We are representing Kenya.
Kenya. He's
Yeah.
putting on Kenya, and
Imagine.
also he's putting on Kenya.
Kenya.
Eh,
Love the country.
our beloved countries. Yeah, True Boy.
Yes, bro.
Thank you for welcoming us home, man.
Don't
This is
worry.
great to
Welcome, welcome. It has been so long, and for the other people, this is for their first time.
Yeah.
Like it's Nasto
break. Yeah.
and
We
Mihawi.
have here.
This is their first time being here, but with others like see Claude Joseph
It has been my home.
and yeah, it's your home still. You know?
Yeah.
So welcome for the meal. Yes.
Did you wanna say something?
And then Mr. Man there.
I don't have more to say, but you know what?
Eat.
This is it.
Just to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which channel are we?
In Claude Joseph.
Yeah, hey guys, this is Mr. Claude Joseph.
Hi.
His family.
Aye.
You know, here we are on YouTube. We are enjoying here, and we're gonna be eating here. So you wait until you see. So I'm ready to eat.
Okay, guys, this is the best hospitality back here in the village. I'm with Nairobi. Teacher said we broke up. Is it true? Yeah, Juma help me. Yeah, we broke up, guys. So,
Oh my God! So we are trying to reconcile.
Juma tried to reconcile us together again.
Yeah.
Okay, now you are together, guys. Please.
Let me change this chair.
Please.
Oh
Or
yeah,
you
that
put
guy is
them
weak.
too.
He's weak by
It's
the way.
weak. I'll break it. You know, I'm biggie biggie.
Yeah, you are so
Heavy,
heavy.
heavy.
Yeah, guys. So please welcome back home, and this is the best way. So Claude is always over here, and this is my home over here. We are at True Boy's place, which is like my home, and we have grown here since we started school. Like moving here is where we always come and say hi, and also you come to my place, we say hi, and yeah, always when I come back home after a long travel. I shall visit my friends, we'll be together. And I just see how they're doing and how they're faring on, how life is, and I give them some little inspiration, like, hey, you know, when I was in Ghana, when I was in Rwanda, so that they can feel that art of motive and art of inspiration, like, oh, one day I'll be there, and that is it. So okay, today here we are. I missed chapati, I missed a lot of our Tanzanian rice.
Chapati, guys.
Yeah, this chapati.
This is rice.
Say something.
Something.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like, okay,
Guys,
guys. Yeah.
We are here. We are celebrating. We are happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day, and we visited our brother,
Yeah.
and what more? You know, the village is not so big, so we are like almost in the same area.
Absolutely.
So sometimes we visit each other. Normally he's at our place.
Yeah.
So today we're like, no, it's not fair that we don't show up
Yeah.
at his place. So yeah,
So
we're
from
happy.
here, he'll give us a quick tour of home tour, and we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. This
Yes,
must
guys.
stay in the village.
That's how it is.
All right, guys. BT. Wewe uliongea tuseme hi.
Hi guys. This is Mr. Burundian traveler.
This is still in Ghana.
No, I don't know what I was thinking anyway. But
We are thinking of food.
Food?
We are just,
yeah, maybe about
Oh, you
food.
thought maybe you thought it's jollof rice.
Serve too.
You thought it's jollof rice.
a lot of
Ah no, not
a lot,
jollof rice. I'm just eating this one.
a lot of cheese.
But I
Okay.
been like to eat this one, but then
Thank you.
our rice here is the best.
Okay.
And from another side, you know, it's different actually.
Yeah, so guys, we are leaving and we are moving. Aya, we go. So we are having our red cup, guys. And everybody's so shocked.
Everyone is like, what is the red?
Yeah. What the hell is going on around here? So,
Everyone is red.
so why is everyone in red? Nelson has red, Minhawi has red.
You have red.
Yeah, I have red. Pruden has red. And they're like, why are these people having red?
Yeah.
And red is the color, guys. So we are cruising over here on this side, so we can see what's happening on this side. Very nice place actually. So let's just keep on moving and we can just check. Wow, the road is so nice. Look at that view. Wow. It's so good and nice to enjoy over here, and it's so great and amazing. And cruise. Amazing. It should be permanent.